The Law Conclave 2025, organized by Brainware University's Campus to Corporate Cell in collaboration with the School of Law, marks the beginning of a groundbreaking initiative, a networking platform for over 50 legal professionals from our country who will come together to guide and mentor the professors at the School of Law at Brainware University. The School of Law at Brainware University, one of the leading law departments in West Bengal, stands apart with its unique mentorship model, where the faculty members are being trained and guided under the mentorship of these veteran legal professionals. The Law Conclave 2025 is a celebration of this vision, honoring the distinguished mentors who are training and shaping our faculties today, and through them, the aspiring lawyers of tomorrow as well. Hosted at the iconic Bengal Club, the conclave brought together over 50 of the nation's esteemed legal professionals, making it a true celebration of intellect, experience, and inspiration. Former Lokpal Chairperson of India, Hon'ble Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghose, former Judge, Supreme Court of India, who was the chief guest at the event. Hon'ble Justice Indira Banerjee, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. Hon'ble Justice Asok Kumar Ganguly, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. Jayanta Kumar Mitra, Barrister and Senior Advocate, Calcutta High Court, were also present at the conclave. As the ceremonial lamp illuminated the stage, the atmosphere filled with warmth and reverence. Honorable Chancellor extended a heartfelt welcome to all the distinguished guests.
It is a matter of great honor and privilege to welcome you all to this Law Conclave organized by Brainware University. We are deeply grateful that you, with your vast experience and wisdom in the service of justice, have taken the time to be here with us today. On behalf of Brainware University, I extend my heartfelt thanks to you. Your presence enriches this conclave, and your guidance will remain a beacon for our academic community. Thank you. Namaskar.
In recognition of their remarkable contribution to the legal fraternity, the eminent legal professionals were felicitated by Brainware University. What makes this evening truly historic is that these towering figures of India's jurisprudence have now come together to mentor the next generation of legal professionals from Brainware University's Department of Law. Their wisdom, years of experience will now serve as a beacon for our students to uphold justice with integrity, intellect, and excellence.
I know the Chancellor, the Honorable Chancellor of this university, but I must tell you very frankly, from the day one I have seen him, his vision in the area of the education in different ways. At one point of time, he visited me and I told him that if you don't have any law faculty in your university, then we shall not leave you. You can still remembering that, I believe. So he promised me that I will do it, and he did it. I really feel proud for him. And so far the Law Conclave is concerned, according to me, it is really the duty of a lawyer what he can give or part with to the persons who are visiting them. I will only say the parts of the legal profession differs from one person to the other.
What tips would you give to the students who are looking forward to the transition from classroom to courtroom?
So he has to learn the law, the ABC of law he must learn. He should not mix up with the courtroom and classroom, and he must observe everything. That observation in court will make him a lawyer, not a student.
Hello everyone. Right now, I have with me our distinguished guest of honor for this evening, Justice Asok Kumar Ganguly. Sir, I wanted to ask you one last thing that we talk about ethics a lot, right? So, do you think as a lawyer in your legal career, how important do you think this concept is?
And ethics is the most important aspect in a professional's life, whether it is law or medicine or accountancy. Without ethics, the profession becomes a morbid pursuit. Ethics is very, very important. Ethics is the guiding principle in a professional career of everyone. It was so in my case also.
Do you anticipate any change in the legal world, in the legal profession?
With the advancement of technology, we don't utilize the brain as much as we used to do at that point of time. Now everything is in the computer. So you don't have to trouble your brain for the purpose of remembering it. You press a button and you get the answers. Law has become more, I should say, mechanical rather than intellectual. Nowadays the juniors, they don't remember anything. They don't have to remember anything. Everybody, all the students of law must remember that till the last day of his life, it is a process of learning. You'll have to go on learning.
Some students think that legal profession is a very difficult thing. They may not succeed. On the other hand, some have an opinion that because their father or grandfather was a successful lawyer, he will also succeed like them. But neither is the truth. Simply because the father is a good lawyer, son may not be a good lawyer.
As a lawyer, I think most important skill that you need to have is you need to question yourself. Every word you read, every sentence you read, you need to question yourself whether you're happy with that particular line.
Patience and discipline, these are the two things which we tend to miss.
Really feeling good seeing all the old friends and colleagues. Basically, the students come, they are looking for the certificates of internship in their profiling. That should not happen.
Every year, countless aspiring legal students choose to begin their journey at the Faculty of Law, Brainware University, a name synonymous with excellence in legal education. However, as per the Bar Council of India's regulation, the number of seats remains limited. So while we may not be able to accommodate every deserving applicant, our best wishes go out to all those who aspire to strengthen the pillar of justice and uphold the rule of law. At Brainware University, we take pride in nurturing the next generation of lawyers who will lead with intellect, intelligence, integrity, and purpose.